Good morning, friends. So, welcome back to my channel. Then, this is Sahil welcoming you all. So, today we're going to talk about moving averages. So, this is BTC, that's Bitcoin. BTC is the ticker. And today we're going to talk about this line. This is moving average, and let me show it to you. If you go to the indicator and you type in moving, you'll get the average. So this is the moving average, the simple one. There is exponential, the weighted one, the convergence. So we're going to use this one, the simple moving average. This is very powerful. And let me show you the settings. So if you open this, double click and it opens. So there are other ways to open as well. So if you go to the object tree and you click on this, you double click it, it opens again the same style. So let's show you the settings. Okay, so the input has to be 200. People can change it, like you guys can change it to any of depending upon your requirements. What is moving average and how does it work, I'll tell you in a while. So this one is the 200 because 200 is very powerful, and we use the close of this moving average. And this is very simple. You just select, whatever length you want to give. Apart from that, you can just select the colors of whatever colors you want, and the width, like how thick you want it. So this one is 200, so I keep it a little thicker, so I understand this is the higher frame, like the higher moving average. And I keep it white, so I know like every moving average I have a different color. So for the 200 moving average, I always use white. You guys can choose according to your color preferences. So yep, this is it. And how does it calculate? What does it do? Because say about like if you have a 20 moving average, it calculates the candle, this candle 1 2 3 4 till until 20. So it takes the average of this 20 candles, which was the past candles, and it makes an average where it's supposed to be. So this one is 200, so it calculates 200 candles. So if we go to the monthly, this is the weekly chart. If you can see it over here, this is the weekly chart. Like means one candle, it takes 1 week to finish. So that means until the candle starts. So if you can see over here, 1 day 7 hours is remaining. That is Sunday, because crypto never sleeps. I'm sure like you must have heard, crypto, we don't sleep. It is 24/7. So it also works on Saturday and Sunday, though the share markets or the exchanges, the traditional market, so it closes on Saturday and Sunday, like Forex and everything. But crypto never sleeps. Crypto works 24/7 or around the world. So this is it. And so if you go to the monthly candle, so one candle is 1 month candle. You won't find this moving average over here because it doesn't have 200 candles to calculate. You see this? It doesn't have the 200 candles to calculate the moving average. So if you select a little lower, then you might get it. So say about, if you put it 100, if you make it 100, then you might see it over here. It starts from here. So that means until here, it's 100 candles are done. So they start calculating according to that. So we are talking about 200 today. So let's focus on 200 moving average. Why is it so important and powerful? Because most of the whales and big players, they use the 200 moving average, so the noise is out. There is no noise in the chart, so you just focus on the chart and how does it works. If you can see the Bitcoin has like done amazing with this 200 moving average. You see this over here, this was on 17 December on 2018. It just bounced from 3,200. If you see the lower, you can find it over here. This is open, high, low, close. So if you check this candle, the low is 3,183. Yep, 3,125. So it just bounced from 200 moving average. It went up. So this is, I'm talking about the previous bull. So it bounced again. So it's taking 200 moving average as support and resistance. So you can see over here, this broke wallet and it went down, but again it just used the 200 as a resistance, but still it managed to broke it again. This was in 2022, remember guys? Yeah. So now we are again close to 200 moving average. You can see 2023 we bounced again, 23rd October, that was last year. So even if we come down, we will have a 200 moving average as a very strong support. So we go to the daily chart and you see it the same way. 200 moving average works on any time frame and anywhere. It's not like it's only going to work on the higher time frame and not the lower time frame. It works anywhere and like beautifully. Uh, okay, so here we are. And now see this again. So again in 2023 where we have saw the bouncing, so that was a different rate. This will be a different rate. It's not going to be similar on every time frame. The same chart, you're going to find it a different way. It's going to work. So yeah, so right now what you see over here, we have 200 moving average at the rate of 60,658. But if you go to the weekly, you'll get it on 37,000. So you see this is completely different. Excuse me guys. So now if we go to 4-hour time frame, you'll see it again, the same chart. So if you want to know like where it's going to come, this is 62. See, this hasn't touched 200 moving average. It broke it. I mean, like it broke and went up. Sorry. Excuse me. So yeah, it broke and went up, but it didn't took a support. Didn't manage to do it because there was a pretty much bullish momentum going on. You see this is 2024 and 15th of July. That's what this month, just few days back. So yeah, this looks pretty bullish as of now. But if you go to the lower time frame, you'll still find 200 working like a charm. 200 is like a secret weapon for all the whales and the big investors. They actually watch because just to avoid and just to saturate the noise from the chart, this works very well. And now you see this, we have this one in 1-hour time frame. We have it on 66,693. If you go to the lower time frame, it gets closer to closer. See, it gets closer to the candle. But yes, we might see it coming down again, testing it in the lower time frame. I'm not saying in the higher time frame, of course, it's too far, but in the lower time frame, we will definitely see it coming and testing again. You see this over here, this is 26, that is like yesterday. So we broke 65 and it should come and touch this one. So yes, this is how 200 moving average works. And I'm going to show you on my next video how we use the moving average as a fan indicator. Fan indicator is like a combination of 3 to 5 moving average, which we use it as a fan, and it gives a good indication how and where to buy. But this is the secret weapon, and this is absolutely very less people are aware what and how 200 moving average does. And yes, you can try it, you can backtest it, you will see a lovely indication. You can use it as a confluence, like if you have a strategy for yourself. So this is it guys, and thank you very much, and hope you guys have liked it. Comment please. If you want me to make any video for anything specific, please let me know in the comment box, and please like and subscribe. That was all. Have a good day.